Coordinate geometry. Coordinate geometry is the method of representation of a point on a plane. This particular method was invented by a French philosopher René Descartes. What he did was, he solved the problem of representation of a point on the plane with the help of number lines. We know how to represent a particular number on the number line. Descartes took two number lines, one was horizontal and the other one was vertical, and he took both number lines in such a way that the intersection of these number lines was the zero of both lines. For example, if I have this point and I want the position of this point on the plane, I'll write down its distance from the horizontal and the vertical axis. This axis is known as the Cartesian axis in honor of René Descartes. Now let's move on to Cartesian plane and let's understand some basic definitions related to it. There are two number lines. One is horizontal, named as x dash and x, and the other one is vertical, known as y dash and y. So this horizontal number line is known as the x-axis, that is x-axis, and the other one is vertical, that is known as the y-axis. The point of intersection where zeros of both x and y-axis coincide is known as the origin. Now, as you can see, the points on x-axis on the right side of the origin are positive. So this is called the positive x-axis. That is positive x-axis. And the points on the left side of the x-axis are negative. So this side is known as the negative x-axis. Same is the case with y-axis. The part of y-axis above the origin where all points are positive is called as the positive y-axis, and the part of y-axis below the origin where all the points are negative is called the negative y-axis. You must also have observed that these two axes divide the whole plane into four parts, that is part 1, part 2, part 3 and part 4. All these four parts are called quadrants. The part where y-axis and x-axis are positive, that is y-axis is positive and x-axis is positive, is called the quadrant 1. Similarly, the part where y-axis is positive but x-axis is negative is called quadrant 2. The part where both y and x-axis are negative is called quadrant 3, and the part where x-axis is positive but y-axis is negative is called quadrant 4. So these were the basic definitions related to the Cartesian plane.